Have you ever wondered why ancient sages whispered sounds into the silence? Why they sat under trees, in caves, or by rivers, returning sacred syllables for hours? It wasn't ritual. It wasn't superstition. It was science. A deeper science than we know today. They knew something modern research is just beginning to discover. Sound reprograms life, and mantras are the keys. Inside you, your DNA hums. Every strand vibrates at a frequency. It is not silent. It sings. A song too subtle for human ears, yet powerful enough to shape every cell of your body. Just as a sitar string vibrates when plucked, your DNA responds when sound passes through your body. Every word, every sound, every thought, they reach the spiral temple within you. Scientists have found that DNA absorbs sound and light, that it can be tuned like an instrument. And mantras are tuning forks, precise vibrations designed to awaken harmony in your spiral code. Why mantras? Because they are not ordinary words. They are sound formulas, each syllable crafted to resonate with your subtle body, your nadis, your chakras, and your DNA itself. When you chant Om, the universal seed sound, your cells align to the frequency of creation. When you chant Gayatri, light floods your inner circuits, activating dormant strands. When you chant Mahamrityunjaya, fear dissolves, and your DNA remembers its power to heal. These are not metaphors. They are vibrations touching the architecture of life itself. Think of your DNA as a vast library of code. Most of it lies dormant, like unlit rooms in a palace. Mantras are passwords. They switch on lights in forgotten chambers. Each repetition is a keystroke. Each syllable is an activation. Over time, the spiral temple inside you glows with new energy. Old traumas heal. New abilities awaken. Your whole system retunes. In laboratories today, scientists have begun to see glimpses of this truth. They discovered that sound frequencies can alter DNA expression. They found that stress and anger distort the spiral, while love and harmony repair it. They proved that words and vibrations change gene activity. What yogis intuited in silence, microscopes now confirm. Your DNA is not fixed. It listens. It responds. It rewrites itself to the song you feed it. Why did the sages repeat mantras thousands of times? Because repetition engraves vibration into memory. The first chant opens the door. The 100th chant clears the room. The 1000th chant fills it with light. Every repetition untangles karmic knots in your subtle DNA threads. Every vibration reweaves the tapestry of your being. This is not faith. This is resonance. Picture this. You sit still. You breathe deeply. You chant. The sound rises from your belly, moves through your chest, vibrates in your throat, and echoes in your skull. Your entire body becomes a singing bowl. The spiral temple of DNA begins to shimmer. The walls of your cells absorb the mantra like stone absorbs sunlight. This is why yogis glowed, why saints radiated peace. They were not different from you. They simply reprogrammed their DNA with mantras of light. DNA carries memories, not just from your life, but from ancestors. Some of those programs are heavy: fear, grief, limitation. Mantras are the tools to dissolve them. Chanting is like washing. Every sound cleanses an old stain. Every vibration clears an old code. And slowly, the spiral begins to shine in its original design. Radiant, limitless, divine. There is more. Mantras don't just affect the body. They tune you to dimensions. Each mantra is a frequency bridge. Chanting lifts you out of ordinary reality into higher states of awareness. It aligns your DNA with cosmic vibrations, with planets, stars, and the deep hum of creation itself. This is why temples were designed with acoustics that magnify chants. They weren't built for beauty alone. They were sound laboratories, reprogramming the DNA of anyone who entered. You don't need to be a saint. You don't need to know thousands of mantras. Begin with one. Choose a sound that resonates with you. Sit with it. Chant it daily. Let your cells drink it. Let your DNA spiral with it. Over time, you will feel the shift. Subtle at first, then undeniable. Mantra by mantra, you will rewrite your own being. So remember, you are not trapped by your DNA. You are not a prisoner of your genes. You are the singer, the programmer, the priest or priestess of your spiral temple. And the most powerful tool you hold is sound. Chant, and you awaken. Chant, and you heal. Chant, and you remember who you truly are. Because mantras reprogram DNA, and when you speak in the language of vibration, the universe within you listens.